Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually animate on through what is going on about through what we're gonna start now. Through every single progress to switch it to type prototype. Go to prototype right here. As you can see, connect one frame to another using the blue node. Okay, so the blue node is called right here the pen tool maybe. So I'm gonna start right now to add a frame, which is really the first frame like the iPhone 16. And okay, and the second frame would be like, okay, I go start to pull this frame out of here. Okay, maybe it doesn't matter, but this really not like, okay, I go for adding another frame right here, and this frame to connection with another frame by the blue node, which is really to be connection with that, but it doesn't actually going you to add a connection between it, and this is not okay. So we can start to drag this under that. This can be really good connection over here, and it will be about a two layers or two layers. Okay, I mean two layers into one layer, or maybe a combo together. So this really how you start to make it and make such kind of going to plugins and widgets and animation. And this will be what give you here creating animation with that on the frame.